Hello everybody and welcome to Nas Food Corner.
In this video, we are going to see how to prepare beef curry. The ingredients required are beef, shallots, onion, ginger garlic green chili paste, turmeric powder, fennel powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, salt, water, tomato and oil. Heat oil in a pressure cooker. Saute onion, ginger garlic green chili paste until onions are 3/4 cooked. Shallots and cook further for 10 minutes. Add tomatoes and cook for 5 minutes. Add spice powder, salt and mix well and cook until raw smell fades. Add beef and mix well. Water to your consistency and pressure cook until the beef is cooked well. Once the steam from pressure cooker is released, transfer the gravy to another vessel and bring it to a boil. Garnish with coriander leaves and mix again. Serve hot.
If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.